At Teknacorp, we specialize in the design and manufacturing of the highest quality headers, tailored to the specific needs of each client. We offer a comprehensive service that includes engineering review and design, with the capability to elaborate fabrication drawings and inspection test plans, ITP, ensuring the procurement of top-quality materials from qualified sources. We conduct and control welding execution and reports in full compliance with the ASME BPV Section 9 code. The fabrication of the extrusions follows ASME B31.3, ASME B31.4, or ASME B31.8 standards, implementing rigorous non-destructive testing, inspection reports, and preparation of a detailed technical dossier. We ensure a well-planned load schedule and final delivery, guaranteeing that your headers arrive at their destination in perfect condition within the committed time frame. Our team of highly trained engineers has extensive experience in the oil and gas sector, ensuring compliance with the technical specifications and specific requirements of each project. We provide customized solutions for every requested design, delivering a final product that exceeds our clients' expectations. We work closely with renowned manufacturers approved by the most demanding clients in the oil and gas industry. At Teknacorp, your project is our top priority. Trust our team of experts to deliver high-performance headers that will drive the success of your operations. Contact us today at sales@teknacorp.com or +1 713429 4149 to discuss your extruded outlet headers needs and discover how we can help you achieve your goals.